Good morning, Muscat. Good morning from Oman. I'm at this beautiful coffee shop, Momaz at Al Ilam. It's a very sunny morning, and this has become a favorite place of mine with swings and glass all around. Today, I bring you a new book which you would definitely enjoy. It's called Oman's Doors and Windows. It has the photographs of doors and windows throughout Oman. It's a very beautiful collection, and the photographer is none other than Mohammad Zubair. When I asked Mohammad Zubair, His Excellency, what do you see in doors as a philosophy? And his one sentence, he said, I see a door as a way of thought, thinking. This sentence, this single sentence had such a great impact on me when I saw the mind, the doors of the mind as ways of thinking. It triggered a good 50 poems after that, which will be coming soon in my new publication, Poetry on Oman's Doors and Windows. Let us now listen to a few poems recited that were published in a book from this collection. Thank you. November is a special month. It's a special month because Oman celebrates its National Day on November 18th. It's the perfect time to recall everything that makes us proud of Oman. And I'm very happy today to sit from where I can see the beautiful mountains of Oman, the majestic mountains that signify strength to me. With mountains and beaches, Oman is a beautiful country. We had this book published in 2020, World Poetry Peaceathon. I had a few poems from the Doors and Oman's poetry forthcoming book, which I would now like to recite. The philosophy is open mind, open doors, and communication. Mohammad Zubair is the photographer, and His Excellency carries this passion of being a photographer as one of the many feathers in his cap. As we all know what Mohammad Zubair, His Excellency, means for Oman. I'll now read a couple of poems that I have written on doors. The book also has a few pictures. A promise made of one human to another. Live and let live. A promise from heart to heart, reaching home to home. The journey of love destined to reach peace. Just because a promise kept spreads comfort and care when humans have a smile to spare, when they are at their doors with their minds open. The second poem, open the door, open the book, open the thought. Open the door, open the book, open the thought. Examine it. If it homes peace, if it dwells grace, embrace it. May all your thoughts be open-minded with grace and peace. I especially love this picture of the door. I chose it for this book from here because it's green, and green is my favorite color. Especially the notes in the book are very important. Everything about construction, philosophy, design, and the era in which these doors were used is compiled in this book. This is a must-have for those who appreciate history, culture, heritage and art. I'll do one more poem now. A wonderful picture. Really hats off to the photographer, because through this open doorway he has been able to capture multiple doorways that are leading to a passage or a corridor. And what is very interesting is within the frame of an open door there are more open doors and there is light at the end. This is definitely one of my favorite photos. The poem on this photo: multiple ways there are always. Who says peace eludes or hides? Doors of love are open. Reach out. Above the earthly desires, brotherhood beckons and peace resides. The more we go towards light, the more we go towards love, the more we keep our minds open, we keep peace, hope, and delight in our lives. Thank you. Last poem from this book. It's a wonderful collection with over 90 contributors from 28 countries and has about 8 languages as well as language of music. The last poem I'll read from here. The doors of peace. I knock. No doorbell I press, no rush, no push. In silence I wait outside the door, looking for kindness, nothing more. The door moves, opens and reveals my mother's wrinkled hand and a wrinkled cheek. There beams a smile that my heart did seek. As I step in, I eat a piece of bread warm with love, homemade indeed, homecoming indeed. It's been 2 years that I have not been able to travel to India because of the pandemic, and really this homecoming I'm awaiting to see my mother, like many residents here who work and fulfill their dreams in Oman and go back home for short visits. World Poetry Peaceathon carries these few poems and a lot more poems from many other poets and writers. Do grab your copy from Amazon. And Oman's Doors and Windows has been an inspiration.